Let us start C programming. Prerequisites are a C compiler. On Windows, you can download and install MinGW for Windows or Turbo C++ for Windows. You find here download MinGW for Windows. This is where you can get MinGW compiler. You just download it by this using this download button. This will get download, and during installation it will ask you few options. You select base C and C++ and then install it. Otherwise you can also install Turbo C++ for Windows. You can download this Turbo C++ for Windows. This will install C on your computer and then create an icon on the desktop. On clicking it, the entire DOS box will get opened, and then you can program using Turbo C++. Now, if you are working on Windows, the method of compilation is use gcc file name .c -o file name. This will create a file called file name .exe, which is an executable file. Typing of the name of the file without .exe, you can execute it. It will show you the result. If you are working on a Unix based system, compilation is slightly different. You can compile it with the command cc name of the file name.c. This will create an output file called file name.out. Type this file name.out on the prompt, and then it will execute. Now to do all this, we require a text editor. For text editing purpose, I will use Sublime Text. This is the Sublime Text, blank. Now we can start programming. The first and foremost thing is that we have to write a function which will execute first. So main is a function which will get executed when you begin executing a .c program. Now for this, how to define it? Give it shell as int main. This is the name of the function. Then curly brackets open. Now here, now the main purpose of this program is to print the word hello world. So this is the name of the function, printf. Within quotes we have to specify the text hello world. Okay, in C we have to end the statement with the semicolon, and now we will say return 0. Okay, now as I have already told you, there is no printf function by default defined in C. All these are stored in a library. So how to load those? There is a method for doing this. You specify like this: include hash include name of the file, name of the library, name of the file, stdio.h. stdio.h is a header file wherein all these printf functions are defined. We have to include this file in this our file, so that during compilation all the libraries will get compiled and we can execute this printf. Without giving this include statement, this C program won't work. Okay, now let us save this. We'll save it as F drive. I have created one folder, C programming. Now here we can store, can say avd1.c. Okay, now how to execute this? We have to open the command prompt. C programming is already there. This folder has been already opened. Now we'll check whether that .c program has been stored here or not. We'll say dir command. See now here avd1.c, it is stored here. So now we have to execute this. To execute, we have to compile it first. So how to compile? GCC, file name is avd1.c, -o is the parameter for output. You will give name as avd1 and press enter. If there are any syntax errors, spelling mistakes, this compile won't create an exe file, but it will show the errors. Now we'll check the directory. See here, now this avd1.exe has been created now. Now how to execute it? Just type the name of the file, avd1. Now this, see here is the output, hello world. This is how you can start, you can write programs, compile them and execute them.